So I'll start reading the English version of the press release, and my colleague would have distributed the English version to you. Press release. Tibetan Task Force discusses strategies to resolve the issue of Tibet. The Task Force on Sino-Tibetan negotiations concluded its 26th session on September 7th, 2013, after reviewing the developments in Tibet and China. It discussed the overall grave situation in Tibet, including the self-immolations. While the continuing repressive measures in the Tibetan areas have been counterproductive to China's desire for unity and stability, the task force also analyzed substantive discourse in China on ethnic issues in general and Tibet in particular, as well as some recent mixed signals. Clear strategies were discussed on the way forward for the peaceful resolution of the Tibetan issue through dialogue between envoys of His Holiness the Dalai Lama and representatives of the new Chinese leadership. The task force, constituted to recommend policy matters and strategies, was expanded in this session with 6 new members, including the former Kalon Tripa Professor Samdhong Rinpoche and China analysts. Seeking Dr. Losang Sangye, who chaired the session, reiterated the Central Tibetan administration's firm commitment to the middle way approach. The next task force meeting will be convened early next year, the Kashak, September 7th, 2013. Sarku Seta, Ledun Sokju ne Pedun, Kanyo Setup ki Tapju Kadur Nangwa. Pyoge Shimi Ledun Sokjun ki Songdu Teng, Nitu Be Tarin Chilo, Nieton Choksum Jindaguwe Tse, Dun Ninju Nin Jukri Chungju, Songdu Gup, Pyodan Gyana Nang Chungwe, Yutu ki Nezu Kyon Yongle Gership Dang, Keba Ranglu Mese ki Tsumbe, Tate Pyonan ki Sada Netan Kor Gadu Nangyu. Ledun Sokjun ne Pyogi Sagu Nang Laktar Jeshimbe, Tate Tangnun ki Siju ni Gyana Shungi Kechir Zibe Jikti Dang Tenlin ki Genda Yimba Sedun Dang Tak, Nisha Gyana Nang Miri ki Nedun Jidang, Kebar Puri Kor Doling Shukchi Doshimbe Sok, Dadun Nazok, Tun Shimbe Kaklang, Samshi Tudu Nangyu. Songdu Gup Kongsekabun Chimbo Choki, Guzab Dang Gyanagi Gudi, Sarba Guzab War, Shimu Gu, Pedun Kanyok Setup Chegu, Tapju Kak Kor, Tudu Changshe Kase Nangyu. Pyoge Shimi Ledun Sokjuni, Gyana Shungdan Nyam, Shimu Ki Lamne Pedun Dikcha Yongwar, Ledun Laktar Jechok, Jiki Tunkur Shuche Zubashik Yimbatang, Tengdi Songdu Gup, Kalon Tisur Samdhong Rinpoche, Che Ube, Gyana Kenyong Jengi Songmi Tuk Sardun Sannu Nangyu. Songdu Sojung wa Panden Sijung Losan Sengi Chogi, Songdu Tok, Pumi Diksu Ki Ume Lamki Siju, Yunzin Mutu Chegu, Chusim, Tempo Yuba, Gyane Nangyu. Gup Jeme Songdu Chilu Nyedon Jupsi Le Logor Gozong Nangwa Charju, Kashak Chilu Nyedon Joksum Jindakuwe Tse Duns.